Hello everyone, in this video I will review LifeLock. LifeLock, also known as Norton LifeLock, is one of the most well-known identity theft protection services. It offers different plans including Select Advantage and Ultimate Plus with the most advanced features available in the top tier. The service includes alerts for social security misuse, dark web scans, bank and credit card monitoring, and address change notifications. The higher tier plan adds 3 per-hour credit monitoring, 401k and investment alerts, home title monitoring, payday loan monitoring, and phone takeover protection. It also provides identity theft insurance of up to $1 million per adult for stolen funds, personal expenses, and legal costs, with family coverage going beyond $10 million. LifeLock is easy to use with a clean interface and also integrates with Norton 360, which adds antivirus, VPN, and device protection. Customers also benefit from restoration support with US-based specialists, and there is a 60-day money-back guarantee for all plans. The main strengths of LifeLock are its wide coverage, trusted brand reputation, ease of setup, and helpful support team that gives many users peace of mind. However, there are some drawbacks. The top-tier plans are expensive, and the low-tier ones come with limited coverage, sometimes monitoring only 1 credit per hour. The pricing can also get confusing, with renewal costs often increasing after the first year. Some users report billing issues, delays in alerts, or problems with customer support. LifeLock has also faced past controversies, including fines for deceptive advertising and a data breach in 2022. Privacy risks are another concern, as certain monitoring features may direct users to external sites without proper verification. Overall, LifeLock offers some of the most comprehensive protection available, especially in the Ultimate Plus plan. It is a good option for people who want a strong, all-in-one coverage, but the higher cost and mixed feedback may make alternatives like Aura, Identity Force, or Identity Guard worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.